Stock sell-off continues. The China syndrome and the 7% solution. This is More for Your Money, January 7th, 2016. Here's what happened. Dow Jones Industrials under pressure again from the sell-off coming out of China. The Shanghai was down more than 7%. That's where they triggered the circuit breakers to stop trading. And that produced nervousness and a sell-off worldwide. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrials down almost 400 points at the closing bell, down 392 at 2.3%. The Nasdaq down 3%, down 146, and the S&P down 47 at 1943. China did announce that they were doing away, that's their 7% solution, with the halt on trading, the circuit breakers as of trading tonight. Oil was down 2.1% and $33.27 on the active contract. Gold above $1,100 the ounce, up $15.90 at $1,107.80. So with the Dow Jones Industrials at 16,514, down 392. Don't never unless you will. Remember those who do and those who don't do everything everybody else does. More later.